Is GUIAO on number 3. Substitution Caleb for Jesse. Third personal foul, MUNICIPALITIES. 13 foul.
Ng kanyang mga players eh. Of course, they really wanted to bounce back from their loss against Bayong Corac yesterday. And etong si Francis Galura, after that 3-point shot attempt, was fouled there. So, 2 and 3 para dito kay Francis Galura. Lendl Garcia to Yuri Masibak. No good for Yuri Masibak. Ball possession para dito sa Santa Rita. Francis Galura cooks a 3! And that dish is good for Francis Galura. Lendl Garcia. Lendl to Silvestre. Dito kay Khaled Macapagal. But a sorry miss for Khaled Macapagal. But andito si Dizon. And that easy putback para kay Edmore Dizon. And here, Manyalak. Manyalak against Silvestre. And the whistle there. Against Christian Silvestre.
That's his first 14 fouls.
Balik dito kay Bernarte ang bola. Bernarte. Jumper. No good for Bernarte. Rebound there for Yuri Masibak. Silvestre. Nice pass there to Lendl Garcia. What a move there. Easy layup for Lendl Garcia. Manyalak. 37-41. Apat ang inahabol dito ng Apalit. What a change of events. What a change of momentum. What an underneath basket for Justin Escobar. Showing what captains do during this crucial minutes. There's a whistle there. 43-37, 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. The biggest lead na meron itong Santa Rita against Apalit. 6-point lead for the side of Santa Rita. As Dizon passes it to Yuri Masibak. Yuri Masibak! It bounces the rim. Oh, the great lead there. What a swipe there. Neto ni Christian Silvestre using his long arms. Khaled Macapagal. Macapagal on a drive. And it's good for Khaled Macapagal. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan nitong Santa Rita with 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Francis Galura. Galura. What a nice block there for Khaled Macapagal. Yuri Masibak, but a swipe there. Neto ni Aljon Manyalak. Oh, nice contest there by Silvestre, but a nice putback by the captain, rather, Justin Escobar. Dizon. Dizon against the 3 defenders. Khaled Macapagal on the rebound. Khaled, one-handed shot, no good. Dito si Manyalak. Aljon Manyalak. And a great defense there para kay Yuri Masibak. Substitution on the floor. JD Herlego checks in for Yuri Masibak. As Herlego plays 6 minutes and 27 for the first half, scoring 2 points. Silvestre. Silvestre balik dito. Kay Herlego. Herlego. to Makapagal. Makapagal to Garcia. Jumper. In and out. What a nice putback there. One-hand putback para dito kay Christian Silvestre. 41 to 45. Apat ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Rita. 58 seconds remaining. Oh, what a nice... That's what I am talking about. Itong long arms ito ni Christian Silvestre. He's taking advantage para dito sa mga defenders netong Santa Rita. But Francis Galura in there. Puts an easy basket. 41 to 47. Balik sa anim ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita. Silvestre to Lendal Garcia. Lendal Garcia to Silvestre. Back to Garcia. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Yuri Masibak, no good. They were out of option there. Lahat kasi ng players nila ay bantay sarado. As that 3-point shot is no good for Francis Galura. But nakakita ng paraan dito Santa Rita to escape the defenders. Dizon against dito sa dalawang defenders ng Santa Rita. Finally, a whistle. Balik sa 7 ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita with 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Inbound first. Apalit. Lendl Garcia for 3. No good for Lendl Garcia this time, but Harlego is there. And a foul there for the Dios against Harlego. As you can see here, already 16 points para dito kay Lendl Garcia of Apalit and 23 points para dito kay Francis Galura of Santa Rita. The field goal percentage nito ni Francis Galura makes them have the lead of 7 points. But a rebound there para dito kay Ocampo. Balik dito kay Galura against kay Dizon. Nice pass there. But a sorry miss. Oh, but a nice rebound there para dito kay Silvestre. Dizon. Dizon passes it to Lendl Garcia. Lendl Garcia trying to get the 3. Passes to Dizon. Dizon to Harlego. Harlego for 3. In and out. But Silvestre is there. There you have it. The ball bounces out of the hands of Jano de Dios. Inbound para dito sa Apalit. 49 to 56. Jaymon Bungan checks in. Dizon. Dizon to Harlego. Harlego to Dizon. Against the 3. Harlego. Harlego to Dizon. Jumper for Dizon. It's good. Para dito kay Edmar Dizon. Muntik pang maubusan ng oras doon. Ito Kapalit on that possession. Jano de Dios against Lendl Garcia. For a whistle. 56 to 51. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita with 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Dito kay Sonny Boy de la Cruz. Sonny to Jaymon Buwan. Buwan. No good. Habang dito si Khalid Macapagal, but a swipe para dito kay Jano de Dios. Dito kay Francis Galura. With a 3 seconds violation para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. Garcia to Harlego. Harlego to Silvestre. A foul there for Jano de Dios. His 4th personal foul. 5 minutes and 48 seconds as Silvestre is now on the free throw line. 1 out of 2 for Christian Silvestre. That second free throw is no good for Silvestre. Francis Galura, the go-to guy of Santa Rita. Galura. Galura against Dizon. Trying to have a screen para makapwesto siya dito. Oh, parang libreng-libre doon. Itong si Rovic Ocampo. He finds the bottom of the net. Lendl Garcia, nice pass to Dizon to Silvestre. Still there. Pero may pino dito ang ating referee. And there you have it. 5th first personal foul para kay Jano de Dios. makes him out of this ball game. JP Maglalang checks in for Christian Silvestre. Lando Garcia is back at the free throw line. First throw is good para dito kay Garcia. Two out of two for Lando Garcia. 54-59. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Nice rebound there for Khalid Macapagal. Oh, nice swipe there para dito kay Sonny Boy de la Cruz. Galura against Dizon. Galura to Manyalak. Manyalak. No good. Nice swipe there by Dizon. Nakabang dito yung mga players ng Santa Rita. 59-54. 5 pa din ang hinahabol dito ng APALIT. But this APALIT team, kilala sila on a kind of run like this. Let's still wait para sa crucial 2 minutes or the last 2 minutes of this fourth quarter. We covered several of their games na ganito yung facing nila. Then they were able to set back and put themselves back as that Harlego is free. Traveling violation there para kay Harlego. 4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining as timeout on the floor. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Santa Rita, 59-54. There you have it. What's such a sweet couple. So, ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin ang vibes dito ng Valentine's dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Doon sa ating kiss cam na yan. As we are now back 4 minutes and 5 seconds as Yuri Masibak checks in for JD Harlego. Let's see what will this APALIT, I love it, will do. Para dito sa ating 4 minutes and 5 seconds. They are still behind by 5 points. Garcia against dito kay Rovic Manyalak. Campo against Dizon. Campo to Dizon. Dizon. No good. Nice. Great defense there para dito kay Dizon. Ball possession for the side of APALIT. Masibak, dito kay Dizon. Dito kay Masibak. Dizon. Dizon to Garcia. Nice steal there para dito sa APALIT. That basket makes it a 9-point lead para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita with 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining as timeout on the floor. 61-54. Good. So we're now back at the 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin nitong Apalit after the timeout. Dizon. Almost a great D for Rovic Ocampo. But there's a whistle. 61-54. This is the time for Edmar Dizon. But the throw is no good for Dizon. 0 out of 2 for Edmar Dizon. But as I mentioned earlier, ito nga ang Apalit is very known para sa mga crucial momentum eh. Parang they're still waiting na makuha nila yung momentum as Lender Garcia. That is not how Lender Garcia throws his 3. Here, Manyalak. Manyalak against Dizon. Oh, a great D for Dizon. Nice abang there ha para kay Khaled Makapagal. At layup there. Easy basket for Lender Garcia. 5 na lang ang kalamangan dito. With 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa to. Oh, nice pass there. Oh, and a great defense there. A block there para dito kay John Mirabel.
Holding foul number 3, Yuri Masibak.
But the whistle, Yuri Masibak. Fourth personal foul. He needs to be careful for the remaining 2 minutes and 29 seconds of this ballgame. Ocampo. Ocampo. Si Manyalak. Manyalak. Manyalak for 3. Look at that. Look at that 3-point shot by Manyalak. Yuri Masibak. Dito kay Edmar Dizon. And a good move there para dito kay Edmar Dizon. Balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Santa Rita. Yuri Masibak needs to be careful. Jumper. It's good para dito kay Jamon Buwan. Their loss against Bayong Porac really lit a fire para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. With a good basket there for Yuri Masibak. As Rovic Ocampo is down. His left ankle. Left ankle yung iniinda dito. Ni Rovic Ocampo. You take a look at that. Beautiful put back there ni Yuri Masibak. Yung landing dito ni Rovic Ocampo, kahit pati ako parang I can feel how painful it is. Niinda na yung dito ni Rovic yung pagka-twist ng kanyang ankle doon. An opportunity for Apalit. Without one of the shooter netong Santa Rita na si Rovic Ocampo. 3-point shot for Francis Galura. Sabi ni Francis Galura, I will still shoot para dito sa panig namin. Kahit wala nandito si Rovic Ocampo as Lendel Garcia. Siyampa din ang kalamangan dito. Lendel Garcia for 3. Pero nakaabang doon si Khaled Macapagal. Basket and 1 para dito kay Khaled Macapagal.
That's his first.
Take a look at this beautiful 3-point shot neto ni Francis Galura. Nawala na ako sa bilang. I was counting earlier kanina sa mga 3-point shot neto ni Francis Galura. And 1 is good para dito kay Khaled Macapagal. 63-69. 6 lang ang hinahabol dito ng Apalit. Manyalak. Manyalak against Macapagal. Nice pass there. Almost a nice putback, but a good defense there by Mirabel. Almost a good pass. Pero na-swipe yun dito ng Santa Rita ni Francis Galura. 45.3 seconds. Inbound for Apalit. Dizon. You can go here for a quick 2. Dizon. Dizon, no good. Andun si John Mirabel. John Mirabel short. Great defense para dito sa panig. Kaya lang libreng-libre kasi doon. Itong si Jaymon Buwan. 29.8 seconds remaining. Dito sa ating fourth quarter. 8-point advantage for the side of Santa Rita. You can see here that they really wanted to bounce back as timeout on the floor, 71-63. Back at the last 29.8 seconds. This is still long seconds para dito sa parehong koponan. Inbound for Apalit. Let's see what will they do here. Dizon to Lendel Garcia. Lendel. At a sorry miss for Lendel Garcia. Yuri Masibak to Lendel Garcia for 3. Still no good for Lendel Garcia. 18.1 seconds remaining.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Still an inbound para dito sa panig ng Apalit. Garcia, Garcia for 3. Still no good for Lendel Garcia. Here, another basket para dito sa Caluguran, Santa Rita. 8.7 seconds, 10-point lead. Eto na ba yun? And there you have it. Santa Rita won over Apalit. I love it. A different level of intensity ang pinakita dito ng Caluguran, Santa Rita. They really bounced back. The fire that lit on their heartbreaking loss dito sa Bayong Cora kahapon, lahat ng maling nagawa nila, they were able to put back themselves dito sa game natin ngayon as Caluguran, Santa Rita. Once again, 73-63 is our final score. Grabe, from being behind noong itong first half, talagang grabe yung pinakitang run dito ng Caluguran, Santa Rita. At ngayon, kasama ko na nga ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the Game, Francis Galura, with 26 points, 4 assists, and 2 steals. Francis, first of all, congratulations. A different Francis Galura para dito. Last time, 16 points lang but then, ngayong laro nyo, you added 10 points, make it 26. Ano ba ang nagpanatili ng composure ng isang Francis Galura para matalo ang Apalit ngayong araw na to?
Stay focused po, defense po, stay positive po.
Now, Francis, ano pa ba ang dapat namin expect para sa isang Francis Galura at sa Santa Rita para sa mga upcoming ball games dito ng Santa Rita?
Ano po, tiwala lang po sa sarili and tiwala rin po sa itaas po. Yun lang po.
Francis, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, and to all the supporters of Caluguran Santa Rita.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa sumasuporta po sa amin and lalo po kay Boss Renan and sa mga kasama ko po sa barangay po namin, yung SMYC po, and sa sa family ko po. Yun lang po.
Once again, that's Francis Galura with 26 points, 4 assists, and 2 stealer. Delta Cup best player of the game para dito sa ating APALIT. I love it. Kontra Caluguran Santa Rita again. 73 to 63 is our final scores. Coming up next is Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka kontra Macabebe Warriors. For MJ Raimundo and on behalf of Direk Nomer Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, this is Penelope Wilhelmina. And for the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024, I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.